Zeek iKC4 is a small inclined rail numerical control lathe, designed for the light industrial education and training market. With its excellent cost performance and processing capabilities, it has won wide recognition from customers. The machine is designed with a full protective cover, ensures safety during operation. The design of the bed with guide rails not only makes the machine more stable, it enhances its rigidity. This ensures higher machining accuracy. Zeek iKC4 is equipped with a high-torque, brushless spindle motor with 8-position tower tool changer. This design greatly meets the needs of users in different processing scenarios. iKC4 4-section guide rail numerical control lathe is very suitable for teaching, training, and light industrial use. Can cut non-ferrous metals and 45 steel. Can process outer edge contours, end contours, and complex surfaces. And can perform grooving, drilling, reaming, twisting, and spreading, etc. It can also easily complete thread processing tasks. The machine is equipped with a manual tailstock, helps assist in positioning and subtracting workpieces. The addition of a one-button manual lubrication system effectively extends the service life of the guide rail. Zeek iKC4 can be customized for different needs of customers. Numerical control system can choose Siemens, Fanuc, Mitsubishi, HNC, GSK, and Zeek system. In addition, the bed color of the machine can also be tailored according to customer needs. Meet individual needs. In order to further enhance the effectiveness of teaching and training, Zeek iKC4 is also equipped with a USW virtual machine, composed of V+PS teaching solution. Provide customers with a more intuitive and vivid operation experience.